Alrighty, guys. Today we're gonna. Oh my goodness, there's so much open. Okay, so today we're gonna play with the terminal. Um, let's open up this wide. So what we're doing right here is we just have something really basic, and we're going to be passing in some main arguments into the string. So this right here is the string arg, and that's short for arguments. And what we're passing into this main method right here is going to be terminal arguments, or we're going to give some values into that perimeter right there. We're going to do that when we call it, or when we open this class. So what this switch, and in this case it really could just be an if statement, since there's only one case, but basically it's saying since the indexes always start at 0, but when the second thing, since the index 1, when the second thing inputted um, is a plus sign, then we're going to take the first thing, we're going to parse it as an int, and then we're also going to parse the third thing as an int. Then we're going to break out, then we're going to say string as 0, the first thing, we're going to give a space, we're going to take the second thing, we're going to say plus, and then space, and then the third thing equals the result, which the result is going to be that. So essentially what we're going to do is we're going to take whatever number we put in, we're going to say that number plus the second number, and it's going to equal the result, which is going to be the addition of those two numbers. Okay, you can do this without the IDE, the idle, whatever you want to call it. Idle is Python, excuse me. But you can do this. Am I not sharing both of them? Okay, I am. Sorry. You can do this in just a regular text editor like Notepad. When you're doing like the Java shorthand or working in any kind of command line, you can also do this here. When you're doing this here, it is a little bit trickier that I just found. So if you notice here, it says Phonetic, fifth semester, blah, 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 command line, which is the name of the entire project. So you're going to want to, let me get this out of my way. You're going to want to make sure that you call this like you would the file, but then also you see here it says source. You're going to want to make sure you're getting, I can't remember if it's that way or the other way. Yeah, it's that way. Okay. So you're going to want to make sure you're going directly to the class that you need to access, because it kept telling me that there's no instance of the class of the file that I was trying to access because I wasn't going directly to it. It was just being really funny. So this is where I need to go, and then I'm going to say 1 plus 10. I'll press enter. It's going to tell me 1 plus 10 equals 11. Excellent. Now I'm going to try something. I didn't try this earlier, but I wonder, and we're going to test this out together. I wonder if okay. So I was pretty sure. So you do need that .java just to actually run the Java file. And this isn't. So this was part of the prompt, the 1 plus 10, and it's going to say 1 plus 10 equals 11. But this actually works exactly as intended with, not as intended, but it works exactly as you expect it to with the whole calculation functions. And just to prove that, so what we can do is we can use some other numbers like so. So 25 plus 25 equals 50, which is really interesting. And this is just really basic setup and a basic instruction to a basic experiment to get into how and why we can use these and what that string argument is for. Thanks.